Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in report builder. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI index, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI report builder. There we can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. So I'll try to go through the step by step what I have done here. So it's like a similar kind of report in my last previous videos. So except here in this report, I just added one parameter and so the visualization has been changed. So apart from that, nothing else. Okay. So here, if you see here, so I'm writing one expression. What it means that so in the parameter I am displaying the list of regions. What are the parameter we have selected? So those parameter I am displaying here. So based on that I am trying to display the sales amount in this visible. Okay, here we can see that region, country, state, city. So different fields are there. Even you can see the data sets also. So in this example I'm taking this one data set and this is the another data set. So basically this data set I am using just for the parameter purpose and this is for the reporting purpose. If you want, I'll try to show you. Okay, so I'm just doing some kind of distinct values I'm taking to display in the parameter values. Okay, so this is the actual data set used for the report purpose. Now you can see that I'm just including the parameter in this query also. Okay, so now I'll try to run the report so that we can see how data looks like. Click on run. Now it's taking a little time. It all depends on the number of records that are fetching to display in the report and all. So if the less number of records, it will display very fastly. Sometimes it will depend on the system configurations also. I'll try to wait until analyze again. Okay, so now you can see that there is a one parameter. It is asking we need to select the reason. So basically here I did not specify any default values, but if you want we can specify default values also. There's no problem on that. So I'm just selecting one of the value. So just click on view report. Now it's loading the report. So still loading. Yes. It seems like my system is very slow. Yeah, here we got it output. So if you see here, select a region central US. Okay, whatever the value I'm selecting in the parameter, I'm just capturing it here and displaying as a text message. Okay, so after that we can see that this is the region we have selected and this is the country and state, city. Okay, so here I'm displaying some kind of visual. Within this visual I am displaying some different colors. Basically we can see that what is the sales amount in this city, state, what is the country, and in this region what is the sales amount. If you see, I have specified the interval as a 2000 and so max value is 4000 and interval is 2000. Based on the sales amount I'm writing the some expression. That's why you can able to see different types of colors we can see. Even you can export this to the PDF so that we can see more clarity. So just click on PDF. So it's exporting. So we can try to save it. Okay. So go to the desktop. So here open it. Okay. So I think it will open in a fraction of minutes. Okay. Try to maximize so that we can see clearly. Okay, it's still loading. Yeah, now we can see it looks good, right? So now So based on in this region, each country, state, city wise, we can see the sales amount and respect how the colors look like. Okay, so we can do different things. Basically, in the report builder, if you go to the design, we can see insert like go to gas, click on gas, for example. So if you want to add one more thing, we can do it. Okay, so going forward, we'll try to focus on chart and map, database, different so visualizations and report items are there, so we'll try to check one by one. So I think that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.